LP SolidStart Laminated Strand Lumber, or LSL, is an engineered wood product that delivers real advantages over conventional framing lumber. Consistently straight and true, LP SolidStart LSL is free of knots, splits, and voids, and resists twisting, warping, cupping, and shrinking for far less waste on the job site. What's more, LP SolidStart LSL offers strengths as high as 1.75 E, providing load-bearing capacities that traditional lumber can't match. Take a look inside the LP SolidStart LSL manufacturing facility and you'll learn how the strength of quality is engineered into every piece of LSL. The process begins with logs arriving by truck. After passing quality inspection, green logs are loaded onto the in-feed table. The logs are cut into 9-foot lengths and conveyed to the debarker. Once the logs have been debarked, they are submerged in the log conditioning ponds. This warms the logs to a temperature that optimizes recovery in the flaking process. After being submerged for several hours, logs proceed to the flakers. The flakers' rotating heads contain multiple 3-foot-long knives, which can be adjusted to control strand dimensions. The newly created flakes are stored in wet bins before moving to the rotary dryers. The dryers ensure that strands are at the ideal moisture level. This is vital to controlling the stability of the finished product, allowing us to make the best LSL possible. The LSL manufacturing process is meticulously monitored and controlled in 2 state-of-the-art master control rooms. From the furnaces to the operation of the massive steam injection press, every step is carefully supervised. In the blenders, the dried strands are mixed with precise amounts of waterproof, non-formaldehyde adhesive. On the forming line, the blend of strands and adhesive is laid down in mats on a moving belt. These mats of loose strands are far thicker than the finished products. The multiple strand layers of the mats are oriented lengthwise, and mat density is carefully controlled. The steam injection press is fully enclosed to protect employees from high-temperature conditions. In the press, steam and pressure convert the mats into billets. Once it is pressed, the cured billet enters the trim saw, which splits the billets in half for easier handling during the final finishing process. The still warm half billets are air-cooled in our board cooler. Once the billets have cooled, they are stacked for further processing later. At this point, random product samples are pulled and undergo a battery of destructive quality control tests. Because the saw line is independent of the pressing process, the plant is able to stage nearly finished product so that it can be rapidly completed and shipped to meet demand. When cooled half billets are placed in the saw line, they are cut to custom or traditional lumber widths. Grade marks and logos are applied to the surface of each piece of LSL. Finished width stamped boards are coated with an edge seal, stacked in bundles, and cut to specific lengths. Bundles are wrapped, then strapped into finished units for short-term storage or immediate shipping. In addition to producing great products, the LP SolidStart LSL facility is environmentally conscious, operating with a keen awareness of efficiency and sustainability. All logs used to make LP SolidStart LSL are from forest or timber procurement systems that are SFI certified in accordance with Sustainable Forestry Initiative standards. Bark removed from the incoming logs is used as a fuel source for the plant. Any wood waste created in the LSL manufacturing process is also used to fuel the furnaces at the facility. This saves energy while ensuring that the entire log is used, with nothing going to waste. Even the ash produced by using bark as fuel doesn't go to waste. Local farmers use it as fertilizer on their fields. Our press can produce billets from 48 to 64 feet in length. This flexibility allows LP to make finished products in 2-foot multiples without significant waste, creating a level of efficiency that fixed-length presses can't achieve. It's one more reason why LP SolidStart LSL is the smart, environmentally friendly alternative to conventional lumber. LP SolidStart LSL delivers more efficient use of the Earth's resources, less waste on the job site, and the strength of quality when you need it most.